I'm going to share with you guys how I made this bread with bread mix and spinach. If you're interested in this recipe, please watch it to the end and also help your girl to share this video. To start with, I have here with me bread mix. This is my first time using it. I bought it in Aldi. And then I'm going to also be making use of spinach. Yes, so give it a color. So I'm going to wash my spinach, put it in the blender, go in with a little bit of water, blend it very smooth, and then I'm going to sieve it out. The sieving here is optional. If you don't want to sieve them, you can just use them like that, but I don't want the chaff on the bread. I'm going to set it aside, and then on my mixer, I'm going to go in with the bread mix. I think it's about 3 cups on it, so I'm going to be making use of all of them. And then I'm going to go in with my spinach water into it, and then I'll start to mix. So when I'm mixing it, I'm going to add the leftover water on it, and if it's not enough, I'll go in with some fresh milk on it. So mix until you get the texture you want. Honestly, this is really simple and easy to make. With bread mix, within 20 to 30 minutes, you are done baking bread in the comfort of your own home. So see how stretchy it is. Next, I'm going to oil the pan, and then I transfer it into the pan. Cover it to sit for about 45 minutes. I was doing something else, so I allow it to sit for 45 minutes. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this point, are you going to try this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, okay? After 45 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm going to put it on a flat surface, knead it for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to use my rolling stick to roll it and then wrap the dough the way I want it to be. Since I begin make bread, this one are the one way simple pass. So when you're folding your bread, your dough like this, make sure you fold it tight, or else when the bread done, you go get hole for middle. Then I'm just going to put it in my buttered pan, allow it to sit for another 20 minutes for the dough to rise before I put it in the oven. After 20 minutes, this is how it looks. Next, I apply egg white on it and then bake in the oven for about 25 minutes. So I always set my oven to heat before I get my dough ready. Take a look at this. It came out nice, guys. I love the color, the texture of the bread. This bread mix is wonderful. I think I'm going to be buying it now. Take a look at this bread. Are you going to try it, guys? It came out nice and it tastes so delicious, guys. Try this, you are going to love it. You can enjoy it with butter, with jam, whichever one you prefer, you are good to go. Thank you for watching. Bye.